Hey there, it's Doug Gillespie from Hydropool Hot Tubs and Swim Spas. In this video, we're going to take an in-depth look at the Hydropool Signature 655 Gold. We will discuss who this hot tub is for, the features, and we'll even get into some pricing. By the end, hopefully you have a great sense of whether this hot tub is right for you. First, let's discuss who this hot tub is for. This hot tub is the only 6-person hot tub in the world that specifically caters to someone under 5'8", as the best seat in the hot tub is for them. The rest of the hot tub has plenty of room to fit the rest of the family or for friends who will come over, because the hot tub is also fantastic for entertaining. This is one of the most popular hot tubs for the cottage or the lake house due to the large footwell and the spacious seating, which gives you lots of room to entertain. Let's talk about who this hot tub is not for. It's not for someone who wants a traditional or more of a lie-down lounger. It's not best for runners or triathletes for this reason. They're going to benefit from a lay-down lounger because there's a lot more jetting for their calves and their hamstrings and their glutes. It's also not great for someone looking for a bigger hot tub or more of an elite massage. This model has tremendous value, but there are hot tubs with more features and options that are both bigger and smaller. Here are some of the features that set this model apart. The 655 Gold is 84 inches or 213 centimeters square and has room for at least 6 people. The unique S-shaped immersion lounger features a unique spot built for someone 5'8" or smaller. Anyone with that height or shorter will really benefit from this unique S-shaped immersion seat, for the reason that we really pamper this person with great foot massage, great calf and leg massage, and a fantastic back and neck massage on that seat. We really don't skimp on this seat. This hot tub also features multi-level seating, so it fits the widest number of people height-wise to use it. The large footwell is so that many people can use the hot tub at the same time, which makes for great entertaining, because the last thing I want to do is play footsies with anyone inside the hot tub. The Signature is our top-of-the-line hot tub collection. Every hot tub in it comes with the following class-leading features. Every Signature hot tub comes with the ability to personalize your massage. Because they're built in Canada, each is designed to handle Canadian winters, and you know how tough those are. Most importantly, the Signature line comes with our patented self-cleaning system, which makes it the easiest hot tub in the world to maintain. There are 2 series in this model. The Gold series, which is for anyone who's looking for a great massage, but it's also budget conscious. While the Platinum series has more jets, more pumps, for a more elite level massage experience. The pricing for the 655 Gold begins at around $16,000 and goes up to around $18,000 depending on the bells and whistles. And that's equal to the starting price of our 655 Platinum. If you'd like to know more about the Hydropool Signature 655 Gold, make sure to visit your local Hydropool retailer today or find us online. I'm Doug Gillespie from Hydropool Hot Tubs and Swim Spas. The water is calling.